Is it plugged in? Oh, no, it's not plugged in. 1 second. Technical difficulties here. Testing. Let me see. Oh, it's not set up. Testing. Okay, good. Yeah. So, hey, what's going on? And this is another episode of Daily Math Training with Khan Academy, going on at 3 p.m. today. Sorry about that. So I'm going to be working with the equations, with linear equations and inequalities. Each day we just try to, pummel through a whole bunch of different, work and try to get it done within 20 minutes or so. Today we're going to see if we can try to make it shorter. So this is going to be equations with parentheses, and I think that it's going to be 4 questions. So we don't have to worry too much about it being too long. So, all right, let's get it done. So 7h equals negative 2h over 18. And then we have negative 2h over 18. This is going to be, we have to convert this also that it becomes a positive. Now we have to solve for h. So we can put 2h on both sides. This will lead to a 0. This will lead to 9h. And we have 18 here. Then we set 9 on both sides here. We end up with h 18 over 9 or 2. There you go. Next question. We have t equals 9t minus 10. And it was 9t minus, this is 9 times negative 10 would be negative 90. And then we have this negative t here. We need to get this 9t onto this side of the page. So I'm just going to go back a little bit. I'm going to grab 9t. We move the 9t over here like that. This is going to be negative 9 plus, well, negative 9 minus negative t will be a negative 10t. And then we have this negative 9 here. We put negative 9 on both sides like this. This will cancel this out. We end up with t here in the bottom. And then this will be even negative 9. And the reason why, no, wait, it's going to be a positive 9. And the reason why I'm looking at, because if you divide a negative times a negative, you get a positive. And if you times a negative, and so if you multiply negative times negative, you get a positive. So that means that the opposite will be, if you divide a negative times a negative, you get a positive. That's good to know. So what does that mean when we have the other way? It doesn't really matter. So that'd be t plus 9. Am I right? Yeah. Move to the next one. All right, we have another one here where you have 3 minus 2b. Whoops. You have 3 minus 2, 6b2 equals 2 minus, and whoops. So we have, this is going to be negative 2 times b will be negative 2b. Negative 2 times negative 2 will be a positive 4. And with the 3 on this side. Minus 7b. Get this whole thing here. No, what's going on? Okay. We go here. We move this over to something like positive 7b, 7b, and bring it over this, it's like that. So this cancels out. This will basically be 7 minus 2, which is going to be 5, 5b, of course. And then we bring this 3 over here, down here, 3. We also bring this 4 here. We bring this 2, and that gets canceled out. And then now we do something. Whoa. Did I just lose the screen? I just lost the screen. 1 second. I don't know why I lost the screen. Maybe because of power. 1 second, folks. Yeah, maybe that was it. No? Okay, great. Okay, so we have that. You can see the screen now. All right, moving forward. We're gonna add the 3 and 4 here. We're gonna get 7. All right, and now we have this over here. So now we can bring the 7 over here to this side. Make sure we remember that's -7. That's gonna be -5 and -5b. Right? Make sure we cancel that out. Let's bring, I can't see this one over here, so I'm gonna bring this up, bring it over here. Okay, so now we have this 5b over here, and we're gonna end up with a -1. Cool. And I'm apologizing for the slowness. I don't know why it's not synced properly. You should be able to see everything properly, but I honestly can't. All right, let me go ahead and just finish this up. I do apologize. It looks like it's just, the screen is not synced. It's usually much faster than that. I'm gonna go ahead and probably use another system for sharing the screen. Anyway, all right, let's go ahead and continue. I'm almost done. So you have here is -4 times -3 will be -12. And then we have here is +8. And then we have this -4n here. Okay, and we have this. All right, I'm just gonna color these in all, even though I should have done that, but it's fine. That's gonna be negative. That's a negative. Okay, I think it's synced again now. All right, I'm gonna use this red here. We're gonna start going through it now. So to make sure I know what's going on is that we did the distribution property from with the 4 minus 3 -3n plus 2. With this and then over here, what we did was, what did I do? Why did I make this positive? I think I made it positive. Oh, because I was going to bring it onto this side. Yeah, it looks like I made an extra step without. Let's go ahead and I'm going to go and first we're going to distribute. And then we're going to do here, we're going to say, I'm going to equal this. I'm going to put this 8 down here. Right. Now I think I remember what I was doing. So that what I was doing was that after I created another expression simplifying this one. So this was the first expression. This is the second one simplified. Now I can go ahead and bring, I'm going to bring the 8 onto this side. And just cancel out. And we had a new, which is going to be -16. You have this 4n here. So now what we do is we bring, I'm gonna bring this 4n onto this side. And this positive 4n is gonna make this negative 12 and smaller, which is gonna be the negative n. And then we end up with 16 here. And then we just put negative n on both sides like we did before. And remember what we said before, you know, negative times negative is a positive, and negative divided by a negative equals a positive. So that would mean that this would basically lead us to a positive 2. And that means that n will equal positive 2. There we go. And there we go. We got through it. I think it's about maybe 10 minutes. I'm going to keep going, but I'm actually going to start a whole new stream because I think that this is like it looks like it's kind of lagging. All right, so stay tuned. Hey, what's going on? And this is sorry about that. So I'm going to be working with the equations, with linear equations and inequalities. Work and try to get it done within, like, you know, and I think that it's going to be long. So, all right. Yeah, stream didn't work very well.